Hi guys, and welcome to the Smart Investor channel. On this video, we're going to compare Discover, Citi, and Wells Fargo personal loans side by side. We will review the requirements and repayment methods of each lender, understand the pros and cons of each option, and lastly, explore companies' customer service and digital experience. Let's start. Citibank is one of the biggest providers of financial services in the US today. The New York-based company has been offering personal loans for a number of years. It is an ideal fit for people who are looking for no-fee personal loans, as well as getting access to auto-pay discounts. Citi Personal Loan can be a better choice than Discover and Wells Fargo if you are an existing Citi customer, looking for a strong auto-pay discount, don't want to pay an origination fee. Discover is an online lender that has developed a good reputation over the years and does not charge any origination fees. It also offers next-day funding, as well as having plenty of great repayment options. Discover Personal Loan can be a better choice than Citi and Wells Fargo if looking to pay no origination fee, want quick access to funds, you have excellent credit. Finally, Wells Fargo is another established powerhouse of the U.S. financial services space like Citi. It is an ideal fit for people looking for large loans, as well as having plenty of flexibility. Wells Fargo Personal Loan can be a better choice than Discover and Citi if you want quick access to funds, need a big loan, want to avoid paying an origination fee. In terms of requirements, each of the lenders has its own requirements. Discover has a relatively high minimum acceptable credit score when you're seeking a personal loan, with you needing to have at least a 720 credit score to get your hands on these funds. Citi does not have any solid minimum credit score that you need in order to get a personal loan, but the average credit score for applicants is usually around the 680 mark. Like Citi, Wells Fargo also does not disclose a certain minimum required credit score for a personal loan. Discover requires its borrowers to have a minimum household income of $40,000 in order to get a loan. For a Citi personal loan, you need an annual income of at least $10,500, and you need either a Citi credit card account that has been open for at least a year or an eligible Citi deposit account. While Wells Fargo does not require you to already be a customer, it does offer more favorable terms if you are already on board. All of these lenders will need borrowers to be of voting age, as well as either being a U.S. citizen, permanent resident, or have a certain type of visa. Now, let's discuss the pros and cons of each lender. The first lender we are going to focus is Citi. Limited fees. Citi does not charge any sort of origination fee or prepayment fees. There is a late fee in place. Variety of repayment term lengths. Citi gives you the option to choose a term length of between 1 and 5 years, which is more flexible than many lenders. Strong discounts. You are able to get a discount of 0.50% when you automate your personal loan repayments. Useful mobile offering. The Citi mobile app allows you to see the remaining balance on your loan, as well as make your repayments. Only deals with Citi customers. You need to have an eligible deposit account or credit card for a certain amount of time in order to qualify for a Citi personal loan. Lack of repayment flexibility. You're not able to alter or choose your repayment date, and you are unable to send direct repayments to creditors if you have a debt consolidation loan. If you consider Discover, here are the things you should know. 0 origination fees. Discover does not charge you an origination fee when you are taking out a personal loan. Flexible repayment options. Discover offers a great range of repayment options that can be tailored depending on your needs. Quick funding. You will be able to get your loan funds the next business day after your application has been approved. Small loans. You can get as little as $2,500 through a Discover loan, which is not always possible at many online lenders. Limited loan options. There are no ways for you to get a cosigner loan, joint loan, or a secured loan through Discover. High barrier to entry. As you need to have a credit score of at least 720, there is a higher barrier to entry for a Discover personal loan than with most competitors. Lastly, let's understand what's the benefits and drawbacks of Wells Fargo. Quick funding. Wells Fargo will often give you the funds for your personal loan on the same business day or next business day after giving you approval. Good payment terms. You have a good range of loan sizes that you can get from Wells Fargo, as well as having flexible term lengths. Discounts available. You can get an auto-pay discount of between 0.25% and 0.50% with Wells Fargo, changing depending on the checking account type you have with Wells Fargo. Direct payments possible. You are able to make direct payments to your creditors with a Wells Fargo personal loan if you have a debt consolidation loan. Constraints on non-customers. If you aren't already a Wells Fargo customer, you will need to apply for a personal loan in person at a physical branch. No pre-qualification. Wells Fargo does not currently offer you the ability to pre-qualify for a loan without having to submit to a hard credit check. When it comes to repayment methods, with a Discover personal loan, you will need to pay a late fee if you do not make a payment on time. However, there will be no fees charged if you're looking to make a prepayment. There is currently no sort of discount that you can get if you automate your payments. If you get a debt consolidation loan, you will have the option to send payments directly to your creditors. Citi does not charge any early payment penalties, but there is a late fee of $25 in place if you miss your payments. There is a strong autopay discount of 0.50%, which is better than most competitors. Currently, you are unable to choose your repayment date or change this date. Like Wells Fargo, you do not have to make any prepayment fees, and you are able to make direct payments to creditors if you have a debt consolidation loan. Wells Fargo does give you the ability to change your payment due date, while there are auto-pay discounts available. One of the biggest changes in recent years is the shifting to online. Many lenders are online only, and those who are not put many efforts to provide great customer support and digital experience for customers, some of them available around the clock. Discover's website is very clear and easy to use, providing you with plenty of relevant information as needed. Questions will usually be answered for you in the FAQ section, but the customer service team also will work 7 days a week. There's plenty of financial education content open to you, as well as a useful mobile app. Discover has a 30-day money-back guarantee, which allows you to return your loan within 30 days and pay zero interest on these funds. Finally, the Better Business Bureau rating for Discover is A+. There are many different ways that you can contact the Citi customer service team every day of the week during operating hours. You can apply for a personal loan online or visit one of the physical branches to do so. The mobile app has a lot of useful functions, including allowing you to make repayments and see your remaining loan balance. Finally, Citi's rating from the Better Business Bureau is A+. The Wells Fargo phone support team will be reachable during working hours from Monday to Friday, with no weekend support being available. There are some resources on the Wells Fargo website that can resolve possible questions you have. This includes financial education resources. The Wells Fargo mobile app gives you the option to easily manage your loan, while the Better Business Bureau did not give Wells Fargo a rating as it has a wide range of complaints and government action against it. Overall, both Wells Fargo and Citi will offer you more favorable terms if you're an existing customer. Discover and Wells Fargo are good options if you want to quickly access your funds, while Citi follows a low-cost model. Each of these options have good benefits in their own rights. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. On our website, you'll be able to read many more comparisons, reviews, and guides that can help you choose your personal loan wisely. What is your favorite lender? We would love to know your thoughts, so feel free to share them on the comments below. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get the best financial comparison as soon as they go live.